Now let's understand what is thin client architecture. Thin client architecture is a client server model where the client or the front end performs minimal processing. That's why it's thin, right? Thin, thick. So thick part is the backend server, thin is client or the front end. So the front end performs minimal processing and relies heavily on the server, which is backend, for most of its computing tasks. In this architecture, the client typically runs a lightweight application that interacts with the server to access resources and services. One of the lightweight application example is the browser. So for example, Chrome, right? Now let's understand thin client architecture with one example. So we all know how Google Workspace implements the thin architecture. Let's understand this. In a thin client setup, most of the processing occurs on the server rather than the client device. Google Workspace applications like Google Docs, Sheets or Slides run primarily in a web browser. The client, which is user's device, requires minimal local resources, since most of the functionalities are rendered on Google server. So what we need is just a browser, we sign in and then we start using Google Docs, etc. It's thin on front end side because most of the calculation, all those business logic is done using Google backend server. Now the application point of view, a team of remote workers can use Google Docs to collaboratively write a report. Each member accesses the document through their web browsers, making edits in real time. The heavy lifting part, such as saving changes, version control, data processing, etc., occurs on Google server, allowing even users with low specs device to contribute effectively. Right? A browser can be opened very easily, right? And we can access Google documents. Now let's understand the key characteristics of thin client architecture. First thing is minimal client processing. The client device has limited processing power and relies on the server for executing application and managing data. Most processing occur on the server. Centralized management. Applications and data are hosted on a central server, simplifying management, updates and maintenance since changes are made at the server level rather than on individual client devices. Reduced hardware requirement. The client can be low-cost devices with minimal hardware specifications since they do not need to run heavy applications locally. Network dependency. The performance of thin client is heavily dependent on the network's speed and reliability, as they require constant communication with the server. So for example, Google Docs example, we always need an internet connection for that. Until we have internet, we cannot work, right? So we need network, it is dependent on network. Increased security. Data is stored on the server rather than on client devices, reducing the risk of data loss or theft from individual clients. Now let's understand the benefits of this architecture. First thing is cost effectiveness. Thin clients are generally less expensive to purchase and maintain compared to traditional desktop computers. Easier maintenance. Since applications are centrally managed, updates and patches can be deployed quickly across all clients. Enhanced security. Centralized data storage minimizes the risk of data breaches and simplifies backup processes. Scalability. Organizations can easily scale their infrastructure by adding more thin clients without significant changes to the server setup. One use case we have already explored. Let's see more use cases of thin client architecture. Enterprise environments. Thin client architecture is commonly used in businesses where employees need access to application and data but do not require powerful individual machines. So for example, web-based applications. VDI solutions often utilize thin client architecture to provide users with access to virtual desktops hosted on a central server. Remote work. Thin client enables remote access to applications and data, allowing users to work from various locations without needing powerful local devices. So thin client architecture offers a streamlined and cost-effective approach to computing, particularly suited for environments that prioritizes centralized management, security and efficiency.